The IIM Bangalore final results are out. The IIM Bangalore results are finally out after the IIM Ahmedabad results were out just last week. About when will IIMB release its results, and now it's out here. In this video, I'll be speaking to you about the waitlist movement at IIM Bangalore. So first of all, the ones who have converted it, congratulations, great. You're gonna have a great time now to choose that where to go, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore or Calcutta. I'm sure that you'll get more such calls. And the ones who are in the waitlist, this video is for you, because now I'll be sharing with you what can you expect. I'll be sharing with you the waitlist movement, the IIM waitlist movement of the last 2 years. Also, we'll be comparing IIM Bangalore waitlist movement with the waitlist movements of IIM Ahmedabad and Calcutta, so that we can derive some insights from this. This is what I'll be speaking about. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I've been the MBA product head at Career Launcher, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. So without further ado, let's move ahead, and let me first replace myself on the screen so that from the next slide onwards it will look okay. Great. Now let me first take you through some very interesting things about the placement so that you know where you're heading towards. Okay, now here's the thing. This is the latest 2024 placement announcement, on which IIM Bangalore has a very small article on it. Abhi tak detailed placement report nahi aayi hai. From what we know, that the median has dropped by half a lakh. Last year it was 33, and for the last few years it was only increasing. This is the first year where it has dropped by half a lakh. Now while it has dropped, it's okay. Do not sensationalize it in your head. Neither I will try to do that. Arey, IIM Bangalore ki placement kam hogi, this and that. This is okay. The economic situation is such that the hiring has slowed down a bit, and even despite the fact that half a lakh has gone down, this number 32.5 lakh as a median salary is amazing. It is stupendous. Moving on from there, some sector wise understanding. Now 42% of the offers, now this is about the 21 to 23 wala batch. 42% of the offers were in consulting. So if somebody says that, you know what, IIM Bangalore is the consulting campus, then it is true. However, one more thing I have to inform you, I will now be making a video on IIM Ahmedabad versus IIM Bangalore versus IIMC. I've already done my deep analysis on it. Lots of interesting insights I will share, so do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I release that in the next 48 hours, you will know about it. Subscribe it, it's very important. Moving on from there, 42% are consulting offers. Then the second high, 16% are in finance, corporate finance and commercial banking. This also does include IBD roles, all of this, which is investment banking. So this is a snapshot of the placements at IIM Bangalore, the IIM Bangalore placements. Then 10% of the offers were in the e-commerce sector, and 10 were in the IT. This would include your prodman job roles as well. So this is just a snapshot of what kind of organizations recruit. So sector means कि उस organization का काम क्या है. Okay, quickly from there, here is one very interesting snapshot of कितने students हैं IIM Bangalore में, and उनमें से कितने के PPOs होते हैं, means pre-placement offers at IIM Bangalore. You would see more than half of the batch every year gets a placement offer, which means final placements के ऊपर stress कम हो जाता है, stress on the students. Therefore, that is why students are able to get such good offers, because eventually the competition on the final placements reduces. A good B school is one who can get its students placed early on during summers. The quality, the hallmark of a good school is how well they do their summer placements. A very interesting insight, and from here we will move to the waitlist, the waitlist movement at IIM Bangalore, the IIM Bangalore waitlist. So just wait a bit, this is very important for you. I have curated this information ki MBB ke offers, because I know a lot of you are interested in consulting, and because you're interested in consulting, this is very important for you कि McKinsey, BCG and Bain, the top 3 consulting firms, कितने offers आते हैं. Latest placement report के हिसाब से 43 offers तो उसी में है. तो अगर एक batch size 450 का है, उसमें से 10% of the offers तो MBB के ही हैं. Hello, I'm not saying consulting offers तो 40 के ऊपर है, 40% के ऊपर है. I'm just saying consulting में भी सिर्फ 3 firms के offer इतने ज्यादा हैं. So there is a reason why students aspire for consulting. This is important. This kind of an analysis you will not find anywhere else. Therefore, subscribe to the channel, because in the next subsequent videos I'll be bringing to you very detailed insights on comparisons. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. IIM LFMS, this, so many things I will do. So just subscribe to that. Now moving on, some quick snapshot, top organizations which recruit and you will see the big names. Again, you will see Accenture strategy with the highest number of offers. Again, Accenture strategy is competing hard with MBB. They want to make their mark. They're spending so much on students. They're spending so much on hiring. They want to show to the students that yes, we are serious about it. So that is that. Then you can see all the others. Again, I will do a separate video on IIM Bangalore placement analysis. वो भी एक वीडियो आएगी, ये मैंने सब करा हुआ है. I will do it. So I will just breeze through it and will move towards the wait list because that is what you are here for. This is a quick snapshot. You can go through this. All of this is very important if you are somebody who's serious. अगर आपका convert भी हो गया है, ये देख लीजिए because ये जरूरी है. अब आप अपनी strategy build कर सकते हैं. Moving on from there, what I want to show you is basically another very important thing, top recruiter over the years. You can see Accenture strategy and DCG. Again, there is a reason why IIM Bangalore is a consulting campus, why they call it that. I am not saying कि IIM Ahmedabad में highest number of placements are not in these companies. नहीं, IIM Ahmedabad maybe 40% of the batch gets placed in consulting only. I'm not saying that, but I'm just restating this fact that, and see this one very interesting thing, despite the economic situation, Accenture strategy has given more offers than ever. So that means that these B schools, now this IIM Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, these are very resistant to this economic thing which will be happening कि freezing नहीं. अब अगर आप यहाँ पे पहुंच गए तो बहुत अच्छा है. That is why this IIM Bangalore results I know are very crucial for you in this video. Now I'll be talking to you about what is the result and what is the waitlist movement. Let's actually now talk about that. And yeah, so here we are, the waitlist movement trend. Now this is very interesting. I have done something very interesting for you. Now first of all, this waitlist movement trend of IIM Bangalore which I am about to show you is only for the PGP program, whereas the other placement वाला जो मैंने आपको सारे वो दिखाए थे अभी तक stats, they were both PGP and PGP BA combined. PGP BA is postgraduate program in business analytics, वो combined था वो data, but ये waitlist वाला जो है ये exclusive PGP का है. Now here is the thing, see this now, very it is extremely important. IIM Bangalore के लास्ट 2 साल का RTI का वेट लिस्ट का ये है. फर्स्ट रो में लास्ट ईयर का है, जस्ट अभी साल का, ठीक है. लास्ट ईयर जनरल कैटेगरी मूव हुई थी सिर्फ 33 एंड यू कैन सी इट फॉर ऑल अदर्स. यू कैन सी इट फॉर OBC, SC, ST एंड फिजिकल हैंडीकैप. यू कैन सी ऑल ऑफ दैट. उससे प्रीवियस ईयर यू कैन सी इट वाज 62. जनरल कैटेगरी हैड मूव 62. अगेन, आपको अगर वेट लिस्ट का एक अंदाजा लेना है तो आप जनरल कैटेगरी से ही ले पाएंगे, वो सबसे सही है. बिकॉज OBC, SC, ST में उतना क्लैरिटी से यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दोस फिगर्स आर एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल. तो उसमें वेट लिस्ट कितना अप डाउन होगा नहीं आइडिया है. ऑलमोस्ट हाफ हो गया है, वेट लिस्ट हाफ हो गया है एंड आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट इस साल भी इतना ही होगा जितना लास्ट ईयर था. हो सकता है इससे कम ही हो बिकॉज अगेन द साइज ऑफ द बैच हैज नॉट इंक्रीज. तो दैट हैज नॉट इंक्रीज, दैट इज द सेम, हेंस यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट सेम और even lesser than this it could happen. And obviously it is entirely hinged upon how many students will go from IIM B to IIM A and to IIM C. So this is the wait list. Now one more thing, hello, wait list में एक और चीज, you would want to ask that okay, what is the IIM wait list movement trend at IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta wait list movement? Here is what it is. I have compared that also for you. Again, subscribe to the channel, a lot more analysis is about to come. The next video is going to be a big one. IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta compared on data, real data and insights which I know after speaking to the place commerce at all of these places. Now here's the thing, IIM Ahmedabad last year waitlist general category 1, IIM Bangalore as I've said 33 and IIM C 173. Now again जो एक perception है ना that IIM A, B, C that there is a hierarchy, वो कहीं ना कहीं waitlist movement में भी reflect होती है. वो perception यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है कि यार IIM Ahmedabad supposedly is the best college, this and that is why कोई छोड़ ही नहीं रहा IIM Ahmedabad. Waitlist is 1. Then second best as they call it is IIM Bangalore, hence थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा है. So this trajectory will remain the same. This is here to stay for a long time until and unless in the next 5-6 years something happens that someday an IIM B surpasses everything. And in fact average भी जो है इन सबकी salaries उसमें भी यही एक follow होता है trend. I will be speaking about all of those things. Also now I'll quickly share with you the waitlist movement of last year of PGP BA. Now quick attention to this thing. This is the data of last year's PGP BA. आएगा अभी स्क्रीन पे. PGP BA में 75 स्टूडेंट्स का बैच साइज है. ओके, 75 में से नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू सी इज दैट जनरल कैटेगरी मूव्ड बाय 19 सीट्स व्हिच इज एक्सपेक्टेड बिकॉज सीट्स ही कम है। जनरल कैटेगरी की 75 सीट्स में से सिर्फ 25 ही सीट्स हैं, तो उस हिसाब से ठीक ठाक है। दिस इज जस्ट अ स्नैपशॉट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। दिस इज अ वेरी ग्रोइंग इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोग्राम एंड आई एम श्योर वेट लिस्ट इस बार इससे भी कम होगा, बिकॉज द सीट्स हैव नॉट इंक्रीज्ड। एज फार एज आई नो द सीट्स हैव नॉट इंक्रीज्ड, देयरफॉर I am expecting PGPBA will rise much above and the waitlist will not even be this much. This is what I expect from PGPBA. I hope that you're confident about your chances. Do let me know in the comments what are you feeling like, what is your waitlist, whether you have been selected for this or not. If you have been, I would personally reply to you and tell you congratulations. Stay tuned with me because more content on the placement reports and analysis, so much more here to come. Thanks a lot and goodbye.